Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to record a song with your Android phone on BandLab. To be able to record multi-track, you need a good pair of headphones with cable and without microphone. Otherwise, you will be unable to use the built-in mic on your iPhone. The built-in mic is better than the mic on your headphones. Connect the headphones to your phone. If you're on an iPhone, use a lightning jack adapter. This is the simple drill. Connect headphones without microphone to your smartphone. Sign in to BandLab. Press the plus sign for new recording. And choose voice mic for only vocals or choose import track if you want to sing to backing track. First, choose a track from your phone or from the cloud. Second, press the plus button to add a voice or mic track to record. Then, press the red button and start recording. Sing about 4 inches from the smartphone's built-in microphone. If you want to sing too, press the click button at the bottom right. Then, exit the record. In the top left, and save the recording as a sound file. The recording is now saved as a mix. Then, reopen the recording and press the track control bottom left. And then, mute the volume of the backing track. Exit the recording and save the clean vocals as a new sound file. Name it My Sound Dry Vocals. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for another video.